So what causes insecure attachments? Well, all those kinds of adverse childhood experiences that people report when they come for therapy. So some people will be talking about being socially isolated, neglected, having no adult carer, or if you're raised by a carer who is stressed or fearful or frightened, actually you can become insecurely attached yourself just because your own carer is frightened.
So, okay, so let's look at attachment style and courtship, and we're going to, just kind of move through these. I'm looking primarily at secure attachment and then insecure, anxious, insecure, avoidant. And of course, there can be ambivalence with that. And I have found in my work and my observations that it is a continuum, as Dr. Ads had said. The attachment style is on a continuum, and it can shift sometimes, especially obviously if it's activated. People can be fairly securely attached, and then it gets activated and you see where they go.